Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Bharat Ratna to SPB. Naidu writes to Jagan, Jagan to Modi. Andhra Pradesh CM Y.S. Jagan has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi urging him to consider Bharat Ratna to SPB. In his letter, Jagan recalled the invaluable contribution of SPB to the film industry, especially the South. Earlier, SPB was bestowed with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan in 2001 and 2011 respectively. Jagan's letter to the Prime Minister came just a day after TDP chief Chandrababu had written to the Andhra Pradesh CM. Chandrababu in his letter has requested the CM to establish Music University in Nellore in the honor of SPB and also an award after the singer's name to encourage the new talent. Vijay Deverakonda teams up with Telugu hitmaker Sukumar, promises memorable cinema. Telugu superstar Vijay Deverakonda looks forward to working with filmmaker Sukumar and promises memorable cinema to the fans. Sukumar, Vijay Deverakonda, the actor in me is super excited. The audience in me is celebrating. We guarantee you memorable cinema. I can't wait to be on set with Suku sir, the actor tweeted the announcement on Monday. Fans are equally excited about Vijay collaborating with the director known for films like Arya, Jagdam and 100% Love. Andhra's daily COVID-19 count dips below 6,000, tally at 6,81,161. Andhra Pradesh's count of coronavirus cases increased by a little over 5,000 on Monday as State Special Chief Secretary Health K.R. Jawar Reddy said the infection spread has been on a declining trend over the last couple of weeks. The state reported 5,487 fresh cases of COVID-19 from 66,121 sample tests in 24 hours. Prakasam civic bodies get Rs 15 crore from Finance Panel. The Commissioner and Director of Municipal Administration has issued an order allocating Rs 15 crore to 9 civic bodies in Prakasam district from the 15th Finance Commission funds for the financial year 2020-21. The Ongole Municipal Corporation and Kondukur, Markapur, Chirala, Kanigiri, Giddalur, Adanki, Chimakurti and Darse municipalities are planning to take up various development works with the 15th Finance Commission funds. Yediyurappa accuses Congress of misleading farmers to tour state to raise awareness. On the day farmers in Karnataka called for a statewide ban, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa said they are being fed misinformation and added that he would undertake a statewide tour to meet them personally and create awareness on the amendments to the farm and land bills. Andhra Pradesh CM launches scheme to drill 2 lakh free bore wells. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy on Monday launched a Rs 2,340 crore scheme to drill 2 lakh bore wells free of cost for state's farmers in the next 4 years. We will stand in support of farmers who do not have irrigation water source other than borewell water. In all the constituencies, we plan to drill 2 lakh bore wells. Not only that, we will also giving casing pipes, said Reddy. Telangana government to address long-pending land issues in urban local bodies. Ahead of the launch of the Dharni website, the state government had begun efforts to find a permanent solution to long-standing problems in urban areas and safeguard the rights of people on their properties. The exercise has already commenced in this direction as per the instructions of Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.